guys, today in this video we have a very special guest. We're gonna mix lipsticks and gonna create a custom shades. We're gonna melt the lipsticks and to see what shade it comes. This is going to be a surprise for all of us because we don't know what shade the lipstick will come in. I have few lipsticks which are of no use now, so I thought I will cut the lipsticks, mix it, melt it to see what shade it gives. So without any further ado, let's move on to the video. I have 6 lipsticks with me which I have never used. Once the lipsticks are cut, I use the double boiling method to melt it. Let's see what shade we get. Wow guys, this is such a pretty shade. This shade is so unique guys. Honestly, I don't have a lipstick in this shade. We are so happy guys. Do this. This is very simple, very easy. I thought cutting and melting these lipsticks would be a tiring job, but this is a very easy and quick thing. Also a fun thing to do. This is a dark mauve shade which I do not own any lipstick in this color. This is such a pretty and unique color I would say. I have put them into this lip balm container. I bought this container from Amazon. Let me tell you guys how to use this in multiple ways. Use it on your lips. Ooh, look at the pigmentation of this color guys. Use this as a quick eyeshadow. Blend it with your fingers and you're good to go. Use it as a blush. Since this lipstick is in a creamy texture, this is gonna act as a cream blush. Out of all the 3 ways, I like this so much as a blush. It suits my dusky complexion really well and it acts as a cream blush. So good, so pretty. Until then, I will see you in my next amazing video. This is me, Diti, and Chittu signing off. Bye-bye. Take care. Chittu say bye.
Bye. Bye. Bye. Bye.